Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin price action. Let's dive right in.
This next run, it would not surprise me at all. I mean, Max Kaiser thinks the top's at 220. I think the top could be 300, 400, 500 on this next run. And then in turn, by the way, it'll correct.
Today, we're going deep into what's going on with Bitcoin right now. The king of crypto is currently sitting just above $106,000, bouncing back from a small drop we saw last weekend. There's a lot happening under the surface, and we need to break it all down in a way that's clear, actionable, and forward-looking. We're seeing a delicate battle between bulls and bears. After dropping toward $104,000, Bitcoin quickly recovered back above $106,000, which shows there's strong buying pressure at those lower levels. It's a key observation because it highlights that big players and institutions are not selling their holdings in a panic, but instead, they're adding to their position. That's a huge sign of confidence in the medium to long term. This buying is supported by a massive flow of capital into Bitcoin ETFs. We're seeing hundreds of millions of dollars pouring into these products in a single day. It signals that large institutions are buying this dip and adding to their holdings, which typically points toward continued upward momentum once weak hands are gone and strong hands take over. It's a classic pattern we've seen in previous cycles. Big players buy when everyone else is unsure, and it often precedes a strong rally. Meanwhile, we're seeing healthy signals in the futures market, with total open interest staying elevated above $33 billion. That means their traders are not closing their positions, but instead, many are adding to them, expecting volatility and a potential breakout soon. Importantly, the funding rate remained neutral and not excessively bullish, which reduces the risk of a massive shakeout. Of course, we have to be realistic. There are resistance levels we need to clear first. The range from $111,000 to $112,000 is a key barrier. That's where we previously fell back from, and it's a place filled with selling pressure. If we break through this barrier with strong volume and conviction, it could open the path toward a new all-time high. But if we fail there, we may consolidate a bit longer in this range or even retest lower supports to shake weak hands once again. Geopolitical tensions have added some volatility to the market recently, especially with the Iran-Israel conflict. But what's remarkable is how well Bitcoin has held up through this. It shows maturity. It's not reacting impulsively or collapsing under pressure. Instead, it's bouncing back quickly and retaining its upward trajectory. That signals growing confidence from market participants and a view that despite external upheaval, the fundamentals remain strong. Meanwhile, we're seeing a mixed picture in the rest of the market. Ethereum, for example, has been a bit weak against Bitcoin, reflecting a flow of capital back into BTC. Some altcoins like XRP and Aave have dipped more than the rest, while many traders are waiting for signals from Bitcoin's next move to determine whether the broader market will follow upward or downward. Nevertheless, the dominance of Bitcoin is up, which typically signals a flight to safety within the crypto market. Once dominance drops, it often means liquidity is flowing back into the alts, but we're not quite there yet. This all adds up to a clear story. The big players are buying the dip. The selling we saw over the last few days has been absorbed quickly. The funding and momentum signals all align to a view that we're in a healthy uptrend, not a weak speculative rally, but a strong move supported by deep liquidity and strong hands. So what's next for Bitcoin? The key will be whether we conquer that 111,000 resistance and turn it into support. If we do, we're likely headed toward new all-time highs in the coming weeks. If we get rejected there, we may consolidate or pull back temporarily, offering another opportunity for strong hands to buy in. Whatever happens, this is a crucial moment for the market. The flow of funds, the buying from institutions, the strong support we're seeing, all of it signals a powerful uptrend. The main question now is whether we break through resistance immediately or after a short pause. This is a market filled with opportunity for those who stay patient, do their homework, and ignore the noise. Whether you're a trader or a long-term holder, understanding these signals lets you navigate the moment with confidence. So stay vigilant, stay informed, and we'll be here at Clockwise Crypto to help guide you through it all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Today we're going to talk all about Cardano. Let's dive right in. How did Cardano go from being hated to a strategic reserve? Cardano from the most hated to a strategic reserve asset. It's a dramatic transformation, a story that highlights not just a change in perception, but a fundamental shift in utility and power. For years, many called Cardano a ghost chain, a weak network with pure promises and no delivery. The haters dismissed it, ignoring the quiet progress happening under the surface. But now policymakers, innovators, and even governments are seeing something profoundly different. This isn't just about price, it's about utility. Cardano's ecosystem is growing in a way that's hard to ignore. Transactions are up, wallet numbers are multiplying, and on-chain activity signals a bustling network, alive with innovation. The ecosystem is filled with decentralized applications, payments, borrowing, lending, governance platforms, all made possible by a scalable and robust architecture. It's not just promises, it's delivery. The network's ability to handle large volumes of transactions without congestion is proving it can perform under pressure. The rollout of smart contracts opened the floodgates for a whole new era of development, from DeFi platforms to digital IDs, all anchored on a base layer designed for stability and future growth. Activity on the network highlights this transformation. Daily transactions have skyrocketed, wallets are growing to the hundreds of thousands, the ecosystem is bustling with decentralized applications, from payments to voting to financial instruments, and it's all happening on a platform that many previously disregarded as a ghost. This progress has gone unnoticed. This progress has not gone unnoticed. Policymakers, regulators, and financial institutions are starting to view Cardano not just as a speculative asset, but as a policy tool, a technology stack upon which future financial systems can be constructed. The network's unique combination of scalability, low fees, and strong governance makes it a perfect candidate for a strategic reserve, a base asset that a country, institution, or large enterprise might hold to underpin its own financial operations. This kind of recognition signals a dramatic shift. The haters doubted it. They called it a joke, but now it's a key piece in a country's financial stack. It's a policy tool. It's a reserve, a base upon which future financial institutions can be constructed. The network's ability to execute transactions quickly, safely, and at a low cost makes it an attractive candidate for use by governments, businesses, and organizations needing a stable and adaptable platform. So this isn't just a comeback, it's a dramatic transformation. From outsider to insider, from dismissed to recognized, the question isn't it matters, it's how much it will shape what comes next. Will Cardano become a benchmark for future financial systems? Will it serve as a template for how policymakers leverage blockchain to empower their economics and their people? Don't miss the next chapters that follow. Cardano's story is far from finished. It's just entering a new era. So stay connected and stay informed and watch this space. The future is already here. We just hadn't noticed it yet. The transformation from a ghost chain into a key piece of financial infrastructure underscores a powerful principle. Sometimes the greatest innovations come from the platforms you least expected. Cardano is proving the patience, strong fundamentals, and a clear mission can conquer even the harshest doubt. As we move forward, this ecosystem is poised to become more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a tool for education, for financial freedom, for policy making, for unlocking opportunity in developing nations and growing communities. Whatever form the future financial system takes, Cardano has made it clear it intends to be a key actor in shaping it. So remember, when everyone doubted, when it seemed forgotten, Cardano kept building. Now we're seeing the results. A powerful, scalable, policy-grade network ready for whatever comes next. So keep watching. We will keep you up to date on what happens next with Cardano. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you in the next one.